GENERATESERIES is a table function that returns a table with a series of numbers. You need to provide the first value, the last value, and the step that you want to use in order to generate the series. And then GENERATESERIES returns a table with one column named value with all the values that you requested. Let's see that with a few examples. In this first example, I'm using GENERATESERIES with starting from 1 up to 10 with a step of 1. And the result is a table containing a column named value with the values 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. You can use GENERATESERIES with different steps. For example, here I'm using GENERATESERIES starting from 5 up to 20 with a step of 5. And the result is 5, 10, 15, and 20. It works with integers, but it also works with floating points. You can use GENERATESERIES starting from 0, reaching 1 with a step of 0.1. That is typically used for computing percentage. And you see that we have 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on up to 1. Finally, because dates and time are numbers, you can use GENERATESERIES also with date and time. In this example, I'm starting from the 1st of January 2010 up to the 31 of December 2010 with a step of 1, which in DAX is the daytime representation of 1 day, and I obtain a table that contains all the dates in 2010. In a similar way, you can use it with time. I start from midnight and I go up to 1 minute before midnight with a step of 1 hour, and I generate a column which is named value, but then select columns renames it as time and uses format in order to make it easier to read. You see that the results contains midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock, and so on until I reach 23:11 p.m. in the night.